Hello students, good afternoon all of you. My name is Sajid sir and today I am going to teach you new exercise number second D. I hope you are understood better earlier previous lecture. So let's start a new exercise number second D. Yesterday we have done the exercise number second C. So today we are starting the exercise number second B in question number 1. Add. Question number 1 is what? Add. So here one question is for adding only a common or a common addition. Question number first is 432 means 432. 226. So 6 plus 2 how many? 8. 3 plus 2 5. 4 plus 2 6. So our answer is what? 658. Then after question number B is 152 plus 347. 7 plus 2 how many? 9. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 1 4. Okay, the answer is what? 499. Then after question number C is what? 456 plus 312. 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 1 6. 4 plus 3 7. Okay, got it all students? 4 plus 3 7. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. So 768 is your answer. Then question number D. 345 plus 75. 5 plus 5. So how many students? 10. 0 here and 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 2 here and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. 420. Then after question number E. Question number E is what? 299. 416. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 how many? 10 11 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 16. So 15. Okay, then after 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 how many? 9 plus 16 not a 15. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. So answer is what? 750. So let's students question number F. Question number F. Question number F is 544 162. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 0. Sorry 10. So 0 here and 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. So answer is what? 706. Okay, 706. Now 3122 plus 2640. So 4 plus 1 6. 1 plus 2 3. 6 plus 1 7 and 3 plus 2 5. Okay, I hope you understood all students better. Okay, that's why We are starting. Let's a new question. 6,210 and 1,389. 9 plus 0. 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 2, 5 and 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is what? 7,599 is our answer. And last sum of this question or this exercise. Okay. In question number 2 we are not cancel. Question number 2 is we are not doing in fair book or also in now explanation part because of no need to doing this question. Question number I 3,816 and 1,123. 6 plus 3 9, 1 plus 2 3, 8 plus 1 9 and 3 plus 1 4. Understood? Then after we are doing the question number 2. Do not add. It's not a part of the addition. That's why we are not performing here. Okay. So students, here your exercise number second day is finished. Now we are going to further new topic. Okay. What is the new topic? I'll teach you now. And anyhow you will learn. Okay. Okay. All students, listen carefully. You know very well, we have already learned a 2 to 3 times addition of word problems of addition. Here is new topic for you. New topic is what? Step of the problem solving. How many steps are here? We are discuss in a new topic. Okay, all students. I hope you understood betterly because of already the topic we have learned. Because of problem is very easy. Problem is very easy because of first of all what we have collect the data and we are doing the further addition and we let's take the answer means we find the answer and calculate the sums. Okay, and then we got the main answer. So how many steps of the problem solving? Okay, how many steps of the problem solving? First of all, I am writing here the how many steps and how can we use the all steps in a word problems. Okay, I'll explain you and I teach you. So first of all, we write the step number 1. Step number 1. Step number 1. What? Read the problem. Read the problem and understand the question. I hope you understood betterly, all students, because of first punch is very easy. That's why you are understanding betterly, all students. Okay, so that's the first point is what? Read the problems and understand the question. Second point, find the information. Which information? In for example, in the last sum, what we have learn Purvi and Pallavi sold a ticket as like that. Remember this Purvi and Pallavi sold the ticket of the fair. Okay, so that is our data. It means data means what? Information. Information or data. in the problem. Third point is what? And fourth point is solve the problems and answer the question. And last point is what? Okay, all students understood? How many points are here? See, let's see here. How many steps are here? 5 steps are here of the steps of the problem solving. Okay, so step of the problem solving. Okay, whenever we start the solving the problem, so first of all keep it in mind these all points. Remember all these points and keep it in mind these all points, because of you don't know the how many rules and how many steps are how many steps of the problem solving. Okay, so you don't know how to do these sums, how to solve the problem. That's why you all know, and very easy all steps. Okay, remember in your mind. Step 1, read the problems and understand the question. Okay, properly first of all read the problems and understand the question. What is the problem? First of all we know what is the problem, and we anyhow understand what problem is telling us, and the question. Okay, and question we understood understand betterly. Then after the question, step 2. Step number 1 is done. What? Read the problems and understand the question. Okay, then step number 2, find the information data in the problems. Okay, what we are finding in the find the in problems information and data means what? For example, in one problems have some data of bus, some data of bicycle, some data of motor cars. So that is data, that is information. That is a red car, those are red cars, yellow, whatever is red, yellow, different types of the information, different types of the data. Okay, so anyhow we find what is the data or information in the problem. So step number 2 is done, find the information in the problems. Okay, step number 3, decide what to do. Okay, here which chapter we have here? Addition. Okay, so what we are doing here? Addition, because of you have problems of subtraction. So what to do here? We do here the subtraction, not to we are doing here the addition. Okay, because of multiplication needing to solving the multiplication is needing to solving the problem. So what to do here? Multiplication. Okay, so keep it in mind this point, or what to do in a remember. Okay, what to do? We have to learn anyhow these all points and decide what to do. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. First of all addition, then subtraction. First of all we are adding, and then we are doing here minus, as like that. Okay, so decide what to do is a common problem. Okay, problems of step of the problem solving. How many types of the problem solving? For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and mixed problems also. Mixed problems also. So many types of problems are coming in front of us, but this a common point of us to do the problem solving. What? This all common points to do is solving to do us. Okay, these all points you have write in your fair book. How many times? 2 times. In your rough book and in fair book 1 time. This is your today's homework I'll give you. Okay, understood all students? And now question number 4, step number 4, solve the problems and answer the question. Okay, what to do? First of all we decide what to do in this sum, and then after solve the problems and answer the question, and then further step number 5, check your answer. How can we check? Cross checking. Okay, this sum is as like that is the right, we are counting by the fingertips. Okay, as like that. Understood? So we have done the all step. Again I am revise you all step. Step number 1 is read the problems and understand the question. Then step 2, find the information in the problems. Step 3, decide what to do. And step 4, solve the problems and answer the question. And step number 5, check your answer. Is this a 5 steps of the problem solving? Okay, remember in the remember all the steps. So students, now we are taking here the example, some examples. So first of all, it's not your exercise, it's the part of the topic. So I am here taking only here what example. So students, start the solving a problem. For example 1. Again I am given the example of word problem solving. Okay, question number 1. Kriti made all students. Okay, attention here and give the I'll okay. First of all, remember the all steps. What is the first step? Read the problems and understand the question. So what to do here? What we are doing here? We are the first read and understand the question. Okay, question number first is what? Preeti made a 9 bead bracelet. Bead means what? A metallic bracelet like a woman decorative items of ladies. Okay, 9 bead bracelet. She used the 98 beads to make the smaller bracelet and 176 beads to make the large one. Okay, so how many beads did she use in all? 9 bead bracelet. Already she made it. Okay, she used the 98 beads to make the smaller bracelet and 176 beads to make the large one. How many beads did she use in a oil? Understood? So first of all, what we are doing? First of all, understand the question. Okay, understand the question. And then first of all, what I am doing here, read the question and then further what? Understand. Okay, now second step is the what? Find the information. Okay, find the information. So which information we have? 98. Already she made a 9 bead bracelet. So the first data is which 98 wait. Okay, and then the smaller bracket and 176 beads to make the large and make the smaller. Make the smaller. Okay, so how many beads did she use in the all? Okay, first of all, she wants to make a smaller and then after she wants to make a large one. Okay, so that's why she is use the all bead. So what we are doing here? What to do here? We are doing here the addition. Okay, so 98 beads plus 176 plus, okay, so 8 plus 6, how many? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 4 here, 1 carry, then after 9 plus 1, how many? 10 plus 1, 17. So 7 here and 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 1, how many? 2. So answer is what? 274 is our answer. Okay, so how can we write our main answer? Okay, answer is what come here? 274. So how can we write the answer? Did she use in all? So we can write she used 274 beads in all. Understood? It's your question number first. Okay, so it's your question number first. Is a very easy. Now we are doing the further question number 2. Example number 2 means Okay. Last example means example number 2. The school canteen solved. Sold means what? Shell. 126 sandwich sandwiches and 48 juice can on the first day. Okay, attention here all students, and first of all we follow the steps of the problem solving. So okay, what is the question? First of all we read and understand the question. The school canteen sold the 126 sandwich and 48 juice cans on the first day. Juice cans on the first day of the school. Okay, school sold 126 sandwiches and 48 juice cans on the first day of the school. Then the canteen sold 102 sandwiches and 38 juice cans on the second day of the school. How many juice cans were sold in all? Okay, how many juice cans were sold in all? So what we have find here, only juice cans on both days. So first day, on the first day, and these are second day. Okay, understood. So first day 48 juice is sold and second day 38 juice sold. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are doing the addition. First of all, question is we understand the question. How many juice cans were sold in all? All means for both days. So we write the first of all data. 48 juice and 38 juice on second day, on first day. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are 48 plus 38 plus 8. How many? 16. 6 here and 1 carry. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. How many? 8. So total how many juice can? 86 juice can sold in all. Okay, so we can write up 86 juice can sold in all. Understood? It's your answer. Understood all students? We have students, no need to write the questions because of question is already having in your textbook or I am writing on my whiteboard. So no need to write the questions, only you have to solve the problems or answers. Understood all students? Yesterday we have completed exercise number second C. Today we are complete the second D and a new topic of the solving a word problem. Understood? The school canteen solved as a both sum and first with sum preach. Okay, preach is our first sum and our school canteen is the second word problem. So we are our answer is this, and today we are doing the both things. First of all, we are solving the exercise number second D, and then next topic is solving a word problem. Thank you so much all of you.